Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how I make my DIY vitamin C face syrup using the orange and lemon peel. So if you want to see how I make that, keep on watching. So guys, for the DIY face syrup, I have my oranges and my lemon. So I use 2 orange and 2 lemon. So if you are using them, make sure you use they are equal, so you don't want one of them to be more than the other one. So I've already washed them. I'll just go ahead and pat it dry with my paper towel. Make sure that there's no water. That's why I'm doing this. You have to do this because you don't want water to get into the oil. So, and I'm using almond oil. You can use any other oil that is good for your skin. And also I have my jar bottle, which I will show you the purpose later. So guys, I will just go ahead and grate the back of the lemon, just the yellow part of the lemon, and also as well as that of the orange. You just need the back of the lemon and the orange. So I've done the first one and I'm moving to the second one. So guys, you can use a grater that is bigger than this one, as long as it's the lemon, the back of the lemon, not the any other part, just the yellow part. So I'm done with the lemon. Now I will just go ahead with the orange. Like I repeat, just the back, the yellow side, the peel of it only. Don't let the juice of the orange get into it. Please avoid that. It's going to mess the things up. So guys, I have similar video like this on my channel, and that one is just orange peel that I use. So I'm trying to show you different way you can do your vitamin C syrup. You can use your orange, you can use orange and lemon, you can also use lemon alone, and that video is coming up so as well, using just lemon. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So guys, you can see I'm done grating the orange peel. So for the second one, I'm just going to slice it. I'm just going to slice out the orange back. This is the second way you can also do it. If you can't grate it, you can as well peel it. So that is what I'm actually showing you guys here. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to chop it a little smaller with a bigger knife. This part is not necessary. You can skip it, or you can do it this way as well. I just want them to be kind of equal with the one I grated. So guys, you can skip it, you can leave it, or you can decide to do it whatever way you choose to. So guys, that is basically all you have to do to get the peel of the orange and the lemon. So guys, now let's move to the next process. So the next process, I'm just going to pour all of the orange peel I grated and the lemon peel I grated earlier into the jar bottle I showed you earlier. So this when the use of the jar bottle comes in. So I'll just go ahead and pour everything in, and so this is how it is. You can see everything is in there. So I'll just go ahead and pour in the almond oil. So guys, use any other oil of your choice that is good: coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, whatever oil that you use that is good for your skin. Because I got a lot of questions on that. What can I use? This oil? Can I use that oil? You can use any other oil. So after pouring in, I'll just go ahead and use a spoon to mix them together so everything will be well combined together. This process is also important. Orange peel and lemon peel have a lot of benefits on your skin. Orange peel is rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, calcium, and other essential nutrients, and it helps to protect your skin from free radical damage. It heals your skin, it hydrates and moisturize your skin, and also it brings back moisture and youthful glowing. So it's very good. And also lemon peel contain a lot of antioxidants. It fights against skin problems like acne, pigment, and other dark spots. So I'm going to heat up the oil using the double boiler method. Make sure you use a double boiler method if you are doing this at home. Don't heat it directly. So guys, I'll just leave it on the water for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then take it out. So guys, you will see what I will do next in a bit. This part is also important. While the oil is still on the hot water, I will just go ahead and mix it together using the small spoon I used earlier. So after 10 minutes, I'll turn off the gas and then remove the bottle from the hot water. Now, after bringing it out from the hot water, I will just go ahead and close it very tight and then wrap it again with foil paper and a cloth. The reason is because it's to preserve it while I leave it in the room temperature for about 2 weeks. Yes, I left mine for about 2 weeks. Sometimes I do it 1 week, but you don't have to leave it for that long. You can just leave it overnight, or you can just use it the next day, but you have to leave it so that the orange and the lemon peel will release enough of its nutrients. So guys, this is how it is, the same way I leave it for 2 weeks, and now this is after 2 weeks of it. Then I'll just go ahead and do the next process. So guys, I'll just go ahead and strain out the oil using my mesh cloth. So that is it. Someone commented on my video that I use the word so. I don't know. I'm already used to the word. That's how I always use it in all my videos. So anyway, I believe that everyone out there have that word that they always use a lot. So my own is so. So guys, let's get back into what we are doing. So now I will just press out the oil from the peel for the shaft of the orange and lemon peel. I press it so well until I make sure that everything is completely out of it, because I don't want to waste anything. Guys, the next step, I will add my essential oils. If you watch my video, you know that I don't miss this part, especially when I do DIY oil. Like the first essential oil I will add is the lavender essential oil. I don't use all of the essential oil. I'm just showing you all the essential oil I have. You can use any essential oil you love. So I use the lavender essential oil and the peppermint essential oil. So I will just proceed and add my glycerin. You don't have to do this. It's not necessary. But to get a maximum moisture on my skin, that's why I'm adding this. You don't have to. So I'll just go ahead and mix it together until everything is well incorporated into the oil, and then I transfer it to my bottles. This is my little bottle for storage. I love them a lot. I have them at home. That is what I use to store my oil, because I do DIY oil a lot for my skin, for my hair, and I have many of them on my video, on my channel. So if you want to see that, check it out and you'll get everything there. So I'm just trying it on my skin to tell you how well it hydrates my skin. Can you see that, guys? I use this a lot every day. I apply it on my skin. After cleaning my face, I apply it on my skin. Then I seal it with my face cream. That's how I use this oil. So guys, these are the oil. This is what I got from the one I did. This will last me for a month before doing another one. So guys, that is what I use. That is how I do this oil. Can you see them? Can you look at them? Can you see how they are? So I will add label. This label I'm adding is to differentiate it from the other oil, so that whenever I want to use it, I don't mix it with other oil, because I have a lot of oils on my cupboard. That's why I'm adding this lemon, so that whenever I want to use oil, I know the one I'm using. Because sometimes I have carrot oil, I have other oil that look like this color. So guys, this is it. So we are done with this oil making. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like it. If you want more of this video like this, comment on the comment section there, and I will reply to this comment. And make sure to share this video to your friends, to other social media platform, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.